close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Right, so guys, I apologize. Apologise for the lighting, it's dark, but I kind of wanted to get this bonnet back on tonight. So I'm going to do that. I've got to get that exhaust off, but I've just been driving it, so I want to make sure it's not hot. Yeah, so I'm going to get the bonnet and then put it on. I didn't video painting it because I just wanted to get it on and ready, but let's go and get it. So the exhaust isn't really hot, it's just a bit warm, but be careful. It's just like, hear that? It's like charcoal coming out of it. Alright, there's the bonnet. Probably can't see it that well, but I've painted that all. Let's get it on. Yeah, but that looks pretty smart to me, and the nose cone fits in quite well with it. Just got to do the nuts up now. So guys, I'm very sorry about the lighting because it's Britain and it gets dark early this time of the year. But you can see we've got the bonnet on. It was getting dark and I couldn't film that, but we got it on. But it's time for the satisfying bit, and that's taking off these. So let's get them off. So I'll get some T-cut on them and polish them up. Hard to get a bit of paint on there, which is annoying, but and the other one. Yeah, this was supposed to be satisfying, but it's got wet and it's just it's not really working that well. See, there's already muck on it. I'll clean that off. Right, that's pretty much it. I'll get those shined up. Do that off camera. We'll open it up. I've got to get a new one of these here. New one of these decals. You can see it's already must be hitting on there, so I have to get some rubber things like that put in. Get some of them. Get some of them from somewhere. And that's rubbing already, which is annoying, but not a lot. So we've got the fan and the radiator there with the, what do you call it? Cowling, fan cowling. I got, yeah, put that back down. Oh, and then we've got that, which I painted there. That black thing, got that on. So, we also just see him in a minute, putting the, doing the plates that go on there. The red plates that say where it came from originally, I'll put them back on because it's original. But we'll put them on in the next video because I can't find the rivet gun, which is really annoying, but there's not a lot I can do about it. But I think that's going to be the end of this video here. So yeah, I guess we'll see you in the next one of the restoration, which won't be till the spring, sadly, because there's no point me restoring any more of it, because as you can see, it's already covered in muck because we've been scraping up with it. Also, I'll probably get a new hub again because the hubcap doesn't fit in there because the threads have gone on it from when we were trying to get the bearing on. But there we go, let's just get a video of it firing